What's up? Let's jump right in. To create an empty array in Swift 4 is actually quite easy, as you can tell below. Now, but the main takeaway from this is that you always have to provide at least a type to your array. You cannot provide an empty type for your array, or else Xcode will start complaining, as you can see right here. But you can provide at least the any type, but I wouldn't recommend that. But then again, you can do whatever you want. So as you can see, creating an empty array in Swift 4 is pretty easy. Now, if this video helped you in any way, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below recommending any other videos I can create in the future. Until then, see you later.